Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review on this wig that was sent to me by My Reed. This is the Kinky Straight headband wig in 24 inches. As you can see, it's super long and the color is a 1B30. So I'm going to turn around for you guys so you guys can see it. So they gave me two headbands, this one, the leopard print one, and this one right here. So cute, so you can change up your look. The hair feels really lightweight so far, and it has a really nice natural texture, like a kinky texture, like I said. The color that I got is a 1B30, which is a little bit brighter. Let me see here. It's a little bit brighter than my usual colors that I would get, but love it so far. So yeah. So I'm going to leave all the information at the bottom for you guys so you guys can check out this particular wig. But it is super long. I mean, I'm 5'10", and it's hitting me right here. So you guys can just see that. Let me turn around again. Okay, so this is the hair right here. It has two combs up top and two combs in the bottom. And then it has the band right here at the bottom part. So you can close it right here. So you can kind of snap it there. Oh man, look at right here. But so far, oh my goodness, it's so cute. And I feel like this is a really great protective style. If you just like, you know, you don't have a lot of time, you put this on and put the headband and you are set to go. Yeah, it's so cute. Anyways, so this is pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.